that's walking in the kitchen, and here's mommy cooking. Want to see her Alyssa's food? Yum. Mm, mm, mm. Look at mama. Mama, smile. Mama, smile. Daddy, smile. Smile, Daddy. Dad, smile. Smile, Dad.
The baby's eating my hand.
Mm. Now here's my sister Abigail. Hi. And here's my annoying Zoe. Say hi, Zoe. And here's my brother. You can see it. Here. It's my brother. Look at my brother. That's why you can keep your baby safe. Aww, what that is cute. What's that? Here comes my dad's garage. Here's glow in the dark big light. And here's his computer. Look at that. And that what he's working on, and that what he's eating, but you can't see.
I don't like this. Go put it in the fridge for me.
Okay, Dad. Now we're going out. Then here's that. Here's that. Hope you can see it. Here's the weapon. Let me see the fridge. That. Look it. Here's some Red Bull. Some Red Bull. You can see the name. Then we get out. Sorry, but here's some eggs. Here you can see the eggs. Here's some fruit.
Get out of my kitchen! Go!
And here's my dad chewing stuff. There's the crackers.
Say please.
And here's the crybaby, Titi.
Say it to me.
Never asked.
Say please to me.
Here.
Get the thing out of her face and she's crying.
And here's that. Want to see my room? Okay. Here's my room. Hope you like my teddy bear. Hello, my name is Mr. Teddy Bear. Here's Ghost Rider. Here's all the Marvel stuff. If you want to hook me up, because I'm just in this costume, but if you want to hook me up, my name is Ernest Acosta Jr. the Third. The password is Acosta7, and the username is, the username is Ernest Acosta, and then the message is Ernest A mail.com. And then I'm this on YouTube, but I'm a YouTube fan. And here's like my carpet. Here's my backpack, Angry Bird. I'm just a kid, but this is my backpack. And here's Spider-Man. And here's my report about me. Good. See? I got all greens. And here's Marvel. And here's Spider-Man swinging into Aspen. Now, if you want to see my costume, just look in the thing. Okay. Look at me. And I like to wear this costume all day. And have you heard of Angry Bird? Yeah. Well, do you know Angry Bird is so awesome? Did one of you saw that me picking my nose? Yeah? Sorry, I just because there's like some stuff in my nose. So if you wanna come over on the street will be San Jacinto near Hemet, okay? Now the door will be have like a B, and I'm in the middle of a red car and that save trees. That's find me and okay, bye.